Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 battery draining after Android 13 update. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here now click on battery and device care. Now click on battery and from here you can check which app is using more battery. After that go back and click on memory. Now here click on RAM plus and, and from here select 8 GB. After that go back to settings and then click on general management. Now in general management scroll down and click on reset. And then scroll down to the end and click on factory data reset. Now here scroll down and again click on reset to confirm.